Let's quickly get some reaction before we go to break from my guest for this hour. West Coast trial lawyer Ron Zambrano. Ron, thank you for joining me as we're watching this. What are you thinking?
I'm just looking at Murdaugh's face.
Yeah.
He's just over. He's like, listen, I pled guilty. He's, these are things that jury, you would be like, what a jerk. But he's pled guilty and he's already in life in prison. And it's illuminating kind of seeing who he truly is, without having to defend himself. He comes off kind of a jerk.
I think we do have that moment there. He was kind of reacting. He was smirking earlier. And then as Creighton Waters, quite a while ago, was saying he had an insatiable desire for money, it was like Murdaugh went psh, like that in the courtroom. Now there's no jury, but Judge Newman is definitely there and knows Murdaugh quite well. So that's not a good look. I see online people just talking about no remorse, anything from him.
No remorse.
In fact, when he walked into the courtroom, it was like charming, hey, how you doing? Even greeting the prosecutors. Do you prep your client at all when you're going in a situation like this, especially when there's people watching from all over the world?
Right. Well, I think you would want to prep, but I think he kind of comes off as a megalomaniac. He kind of, this ego, this legacy. I don't think he cares. But he's already and also I think that he has such certain freedom when he's already convicted of a crime where can be in life in prison. So he's just like, this is who I am and take me who I am, and really nothing worse can happen to me. And we get to see him as he is, which kind of vindicates what happened in the previous trial.
Absolutely. And as far as this 27 years, do you think, I know the family, at least of Gloria Satterfield, is pleased with that? Does that seem fair to you, given what he's alleged and admitted to have done?
Personally, I don't think it's fair, but you're piling on to someone who's never going to leave alive, the prison. So I think it's just piling on, and I think that it's some type of satisfaction that they're getting in that victim's name, something put on the punishment for Murdaugh. And I think in that sense, there's a sense of recognition and being heard, and that this thing really happened, and he's admitting to it in his own flippant way, really.
Absolutely, Ron. Thanks again for your insights watching this unfold with me this afternoon.